Today we're here to try to retooth Henry's old rusty saw. The teeth on it are shot, so we're going to try to put a new set of teeth on it. We're using a Foley 385 Retoother, this machine here. We have these ratchet bars, as they're called. We can retooth any size tooth up to 15 inches. We don't have the 16 or 12 teeth yet. And as always, you've all heard me say, read the manual. Here it is. And this gives you instructions, but we'll be here to help you set this machine up with your saw blade. And we have this machine set for 8 teeth per inch right now. What I did beforehand, I changed the table here, if you want to zoom in, to 15. That's the degree for a cross cut. If you're doing a rip, you would change it to an 8. So, and take the saw, and we had to remove the handle on the saw. Some you can do with the handle on, some you can't. And you put it on the blade on the saw carrier here. And in the notebook is a card that has all the different settings for the different number of teeth per inch. And you take your ruler, you set it against the bar, and try to get that set right at the bottom of the tooth gullet, because you want to try to remove the whole tooth. You set and tighten one end, come down and set the other end, tighten it up, check the middle, tighten it up, and then you check the other end again. Once you have everything checked, you see the feed pawl I'm pointing my finger to right here. You push it down, roll it, come back, and you set the feed to go about, this is the feed right here, halfway up the other tooth. Okay, and I got it set. And we're ready to turn it on and run it.
So just hold the blade up now, let's see it.
Okay. After you retooth the saw, you can bring it over here for the Foley Belsaw Setter. And you put your bar in the machine, and we have it all set up. You adjust it to the teeth per inch right here, the amount of set you want right here. Let's give Henry a little more set, he needs it. And when you're ready to go, you just okay. Inside the machine here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an anvil here that the saw sits on. And there's two, I guess you call them punches. One below and one above. And they alternate like this back and forth as the saw is fed through the dies here. And this alternately sets one teeth one way, the other teeth the other way.